Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction and Sublet on a nice December morning, Saturday morning. Hey, we're going to be looking at a 2020 Summit 40 CKCL. This is a loft model trailer and it's a popular floor plan. We'll have a quick look around, then I'll take you inside for a video tour. It's a good looking trailer, house type rear entry door. It's got an auxiliary air conditioner upstairs to keep your guests cool, calm, cool, and collected. We sell a lot of trailers here. We've got a lot of 2020s in. A lot of them go to our local campground, which is Woodhaven Lakes, and a lot of them go to various states across the lower 48. Anyhow, let's go on in and have a look. Again, this was unit number 5694. 5694 is a 2020 Summit 40 CKCL. Beautiful open floor plan, extended dormer, mini blinds and on all the windows that open. Check out this coffee table. Nice desk. Sleeper sofa. Recliner, rocker. End table and lamp. Nightstand and lamp. 4 tables and chairs. Storage under the chairs. Lots of cabinets. 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch convection microwave, entertainment center, stainless appliances, stainless sink with a single lever faucet, cool looking countertops. Let's head up the stairs. There's plank flooring on the entire main floor, with carpeting in the stairs and loft only. That's it. There's no carpeting anywhere except for the stairs and the loft. Got some storage upstairs. You got an entertainment center upstairs. So let's head on back to the bathroom and the master bedroom. See what we got there. As you can see, there's a lot of room here. Plenty of room to move around, entertain, have guests, lots of storage. There's storage under the steps. Got a house type rear entry door, 56,000 BTU furnace for them cold winter days. Check this out. Linen closet in the bath. Big linen closet, 2 of them. Glass tub surround. We've got a medicine cabinet for all your medicine. Nice sink. Let's check out the bedroom. Can't have a nice trailer without a nice bedroom. This is the upgraded cabinetry for 2020. This is nice lights in the closet. As you can see, I got this one plugged in. Lights by the mirror. 8 drawers and 4 doors. That's quite the wardrobe. Pretty cool, actually. Good view out the bedroom. Around here, all you see is more trailers. Pretty nice unit. See the plank wood, beautiful plank flooring throughout the entire trailer. There is no rug. So if you have pets or allergies, guess what? It's very easy to clean up after. Nice ceiling fan. We'll just pan around. Big open front end. I'm thinking somebody's gonna buy this. It's a very nice trailer. Call Kelly at 815-849-9089. We'll be glad to hook you up. Have a great day, and thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate it.